Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making fried Oreos. The ingredients that you're going to need are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of buttermilk, and also our Oreos. I'm going to be using the double stuffed Oreo. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. Now you're going to need a bowl and a whisk. So now what we want to do is take all of our dry ingredients and we're going to put them into the bowl. That's our flour, our salt, sugar, and our baking powder. Now go ahead and whisk that together. Make sure everything is mixed up thoroughly. Okay, once you've mixed that good, take all your wet ingredients, your buttermilk. You want to add your eggs in, and also your vanilla extract. And you do the same here. Mix everything well. Okay guys, your batter should be mixed up well. You should see no dry ingredients in it. And this is how you want it to look. Next, you heat up your oil, medium-high heat, and it should reach 350 to 375 degrees. I have it heating up now. And guys, you should also have a cooling rack. So when the Oreos are done, you can sit them to the side. Okay guys, next you want to put a fork through your Oreos and just put them in the batter. Make sure they're all covered up, like so. Next, put them in your frying pan. I would suggest to do 5 to 6 at a time. Just repeat the process. Okay guys, once they start browning, you want to turn them over. And when they're brown on both sides, you want to take them out and put them on your cooling rack. Make sure they're golden brown on both sides. Okay guys, this is my first batch. This is my second batch. Okay guys, I have the fried Oreos cooling on the rack. Okay guys, there you have it, fried Oreos. Now you can go ahead and get you a little strainer and go ahead and sprinkle you some powdered sugar over them. So go ahead guys and treat yourself to a nice little sweet treat. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. See you guys next time.